Hello and welcome to this video. I bought this bike a couple of months ago and I want to show you the transformation. When I first bought this bike, I knew since the beginning that it was going to become a big project for me because it has scratches all over. It was left outside for a couple of months and he has an IMF tank, 10 gallons, a plastic one, and the owner gave me the original one. And since the plastic one has so many scratches and the paint was faded and everything, what I went to do, I went in and bought all the plastic brand new. I put it on. I bought the decals, battery, tires, and I sent the seat. Well, it was a nice seat. It was a seat concept, but it was all messed up like you see in the picture. And I sent it to those factory. This is how I got it home. This is my first ride in there, and this is how it came up after I pulled the decal, new seat, stickers all over, accessories, a couple of stuff. I didn't spend that much money on it. I spent like maybe $300 to $400, but you know, I think it came out really nice with the original tank. I refreshed the paint on the grill, and the rims I washed it with acid, and the brake disc took all the rust. It took me a little bit of time. I changed the signal light. I put LED lights all the way around, even on the dash. This is how it came up, and I think it looks pretty decent. What do you think? Hey, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.